Thank you guys for supporting Bayhana and for letting me. Did you know that there are 4.5 million homeless people in the Philippines and that a large majority of that are women? As we all know, women have specific biological needs. We get our periods, we're more prone to urinary tract infections, and therefore personal hygiene is really important. In 2012, the Philippine Commission on Women actually emphasized that in the case of a calamity, women's personal hygiene needs should also be included in donations. This includes panties and sanitary napkins. In 2016, the Department of Health also emphasized that pregnant women should be provided with maternity pads, baby rubber mats, baby clothes, and a baby blanket in all evacuation centers. If you're ever curious, here's a complete list of all the items that should be found inside a dignity kit for women. I personally think that it is such a great practice, especially during calamities. But I also think that this practice should be carried over, especially when we're helping our less fortunate sisters. During this special time of giving, the media likes to tell us to donate food and clothing if we want to give back. But as a woman, I think it's really important that we also try and cater to the specific needs of our sisters, needs that they don't necessarily have access to. Having said that, I decided to create a feminine hygiene kit and to give them out to the less fortunate women of Cebu. Thank you guys for supporting Bayhana and for letting me be able to do this. I'm just so happy that we get to do this. Sorry if I'm crying. We're good. Yay! I think the holiday rush has really gotten to me, and so here we are. I'm a sick potato. But I really wanted to show you guys what's inside the kit and explain why I chose to give those items in particular. The contents of the bag are a fresh pair of underwear, detergent, alcohol, feminine wipes, dry tissue, and a snack. First of all, I felt that it was really important to give these women a fresh pair of underwear and some detergent because who doesn't love a fresh pair of underwear? I know I do, and detergent was just something so that they could clean their old pairs of underwear, especially since they've been on the street for a couple of weeks already. I also gave them alcohol with clear instructions that it was not to be used on their vag. It was just something that they could use to wash their hands just in case they didn't have clean water and they really wanted to clean their vaginas with the feminine wipes that I had given them. So the feminine wipes that I gave them in the bag are a substitute for feminine wash. But I did tell the women not to use alternative wet wipes to wipe their genitalia because the ones that I gave them were specified for women. I also gave them clear instructions not to use the wipes every day. I threw in some dry tissue so that they had something to wipe themselves after they peed. And lastly, I gave them a snack because who doesn't love snacks? This was actually my second round to do this. My first set of videos actually got corrupted and we had to redo the entire thing. But if I'm being completely honest with you, I feel like it was a blessing in disguise because I think God wanted me to go back and give more women more donations because they really do need it over there. I personally don't like taking videos of me doing good deeds, and I think that the universe conspired with that because I ruined all my footage. But I really wanted to show you guys how I approached them, how I explained the items inside the bag, and of course, their reactions. So if you ever wanted to do it yourselves, you knew what to do. So come on guys, let's go.
Lahi lang ang baga natin. Wala na itong bago.
Kibaw naman mag-lisod, ano no, katong panty, katong napkin, katong algo ba? Ayaw,
Ayaw ka mabita magkuhulan ng
sa imo ha? Ayaw gyud. Sakit na kina. Imo alkoholan.
kamera naman. Palang lang, hindi ko kaliko bang pila ka adlaw ba? Kani imong gamit ko kay.
Pero sa imo ra gyud niya.
Ang anak ko.
Kaya kanina bro, ayaw ka na adlaw.
Yes, thank you, ate. Tita, ate.
Lagi
Lang.
Ako lang sa ma'am. Ako lang sa ma'am. Ako ano na sa ma'am. Sige, sige. Ako lang Inong damit daw ninyo akong giingon ha. Ingat mo. Bye-bye. So I'm done giving my kits, guys. It was such an amazing and fulfilling experience, and I hope that this experience of mine taught you to always remember women, especially during times like these. We all know how hard periods can be, but can you imagine having to go through that every single month, living in those unsanitary and rough conditions? It was such an enlightening experience for me because it taught me that there's still so much work to do out there, especially for women, not just in Cebu, but all over the world. Having said that, I wanted to say thank you again so much to Paymaya for sponsoring this video. It was a dream initiative of mine and it's a dream come true, and I really do hope to do it again. For everyone out there that also wants to give back as well, Paymaya has actually created a really simple way for you to give back by simply using your Paymaya account. From December 16 to December 31, Paymaya's act of kindness is to match the cashbacks given to each and every user by using their 1, 10, and 100 QR promo. And the amount matched will be donated to Gawad Kalinga School for Experiential and Entrepreneurial Development. And all you have to do is just keep using the Paymaya app so that you can give more. Here's a quick example of how this works. I spent X amount of money at restaurants when I bought the items. My cashback was... This amount will be donated to the Gawad Kalinga School for Experiential and Entrepreneurial Development. It's really that simple, guys. So I've been using Paymaya for the last couple of weeks, and I honestly think it is the best digital wallet out there. It's just so convenient to use. They have a lot of merchants that accept Paymaya, and I've been able to use them when I buy my groceries, when I go shopping, when I pay my bills. I can even send money to other people through the Paymaya app. And the thing that I also really like about it is that I was able to shop online even without a credit card, which made paying so much easier. And the best part is they have a lot of discounts, cashbacks, promos, and don't forget, you're still giving back. I really do encourage everyone to try out Paymaya. It's free to download on your Android and iOS devices, and we'll even give you 50 pesos when you sign up and upgrade using my code Paymaya Bayhana. Merry Christmas! I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. Gift giving is always a really great experience, but it's even better when your gifts are purposeful. Always remember that your one small act of kindness could mean so much to someone else. Be a champion of spreading kindness every day and Paymaya it forward. If you ever need pointers on how to do something like this, feel free to join the Bayhana community group. Let's have discussions, guys, because healthy discussions or welcome discussions. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I am Issaplease. And don't forget to follow my TV as well. Merry Christmas, everyone! I'll catch you guys next year, and also have a prosperous new year.